Hello everyone, and I hope you all are doing well. Today I'm gonna do the Euro USD chart analysis for today's trade. So let's get started. First of all, let's take a look at the news we are having, and we are having multiple news into the market. But the high impact news is at 6 p.m. and 7:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So be cautious around these times since this could be a high spread and high volatile timing. So now let's move to the charts. This is the monthly chart as usual, and the price was having equal lows. The price swept these equal lows and broke this high. This gave us a strong low. The price reacted from the strong low but couldn't break this high. Rather, it broke below the strong low. This breaking below the strong low gave the market a bullish sorry. This breaking below the strong low gave the market a bearish bias. So, after breaking the strong low, the price retraced back right here where the candle had taken the high of the previous monthly candle, making this a strong zone of reaction. The price reacted from this strong zone and moved into the downward direction but couldn't break below all these equal lows. So currently we are sweeping the highs and lows of the monthlies. So the monthly is into the sideways right now. So let's move to the weekly. This is the weekly chart we are having, and we can see that this is an unmitigated order block and the price is currently having something here to react. I'm anticipating the price to at least come into the downward direction, mitigate this level, and then show an either side reaction. But currently, what do we have here for today's bias is that we have swept the low of the previous week of this candle over here, and the price is moving into the upside direction. So, most likely, I'm anticipating the price to react from something over here, and then we are going to get a reaction into it. So, our weekly is bullish till now. Let's move to the daily. This is the daily chart, and we can see that this was a flip zone into the market and the price has swept it. The price is sweeping the low and moving into the upside direction. But currently, what is happening is the price is sweeping the highs too. So, this shows a momentum slowdown into the market. We are also having this FVG right below this overall scenario. So I'm anticipating the price, if we are going to sweep the previous day's high, most likely we are going to go into the downward direction. So there is nothing much clear even in dailies. Let's move to the 4 hours. This is the 4-hour chart, and what do we have is we can see that the price is sweeping the highs even in this leg. We are having this high, so I'm anticipating the price to at least sweep this high and move into the downward direction, taking all these liquidity accumulated below this structure. So this is still the 4 hours chart, but this is daily FVG. So I'm anticipating the price to at least move into the downward direction and respect something over here and then move into the upside direction. So let's move to the 1 hours if we are getting some confluence from the higher time frame. So this is the 1 hour chart, and what we have is that we are having this unmitigated wick. We are also having this some kind of order flow over here. So most likely, if we are going to sweep this high is being swept even in 1 hour. You can clearly see that. So if we are going to sweep the daily high, most likely I'll be anticipating the price to at least have a reaction point from here and then show into the either side reaction of the market. I mean to say that if we are going to react from this zone, or else we are going to move into the downward direction, invalidating all these equal lows and taking this low over here. So let's move to the 15 minutes. This is the 15-minute chart, and I'm anticipating the Asia session. I'm anticipating the Asia session to uh, give a level right below this previous day's low, and then in London session most likely we are going to sweep this high and then move into the downward direction towards this daily FVG. So this is pretty much it. Thank you for watching.